Welcome to the 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for joining the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.2010shopi.com. Hey, tada! This is 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Chippa United 0. Brother Unjan.
Kunjani boss?
Sharp, thanks man. Ufila jale game namhlanje.
Game namhlanje waziki ngijabulile kakhulu waziki. Sundowns
Kana last one so to speak.
Okay. Game yarna ka jegwe or re motlotlo ka yona wa tsba game. Sasa ska before wa para ka wona wa tsba game. Ya za motlotlo.
Yeah.
Ka 24 re tla of tase hape. And then from there the beta paramizi and then re jola pele and then star sa bobedi. Santa wana ka yelo.
So ke mang o khatlileng kudu ka le hono.
Adams is the man of the match. My man of the match. Adams. Adams, yeah. He's my man of the match. I like the way he plays.
So ligi le tsheri ka mokwana mkho.
Somara ligi le re tshota fela ka 1 point fela re ja ligi somara.
Yeah.
Sunday same place. Stellenbosch, that is Jal League.
Yeah. Ngare ko Lucas Moripe ska timela.
Oh, Lucas Moripe, yeah. Lucas Moripe, Jal League somara 1 point sharp ga down. Yellow was Santa Wana yellow. Eita.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.2010shopi.com.